Today, I'm going to show you how to rank #1 on Google in just 4 hours using Claude Artifacts. This is brand new. This is revolutionary, and it's so easy your grandma could do it. I'm talking about getting your business on page 1 of Google faster than you can binge watch a Netflix series. And the best part? It's completely safe and Google loves it. So here's what happened. I was testing something new last week, and I stumbled onto something huge. I found a way to rank on Google that's faster than anything I've seen in my 15 years doing SEO. We're talking about getting your brand name and your money keywords ranked in hours, not months. Now, before I show you exactly how to do this, let me tell you what Claude Artifacts actually are. Because most people have no clue about this hidden gold mine sitting right under their nose. Claude Artifacts are standalone web pages that Claude AI creates for you. But here's the kicker. When you publish them, they live on Claude.ai. That's a root domain with massive authority. Google trusts this domain like crazy. And that means your content can rank fast. Think about it. You're basically getting a free page on one of the most trusted domains on the internet. It's like getting a guest post on Forbes, but you don't need to beg anyone for it. But here's where it gets really good. I'm going to show you the exact system that takes 4 simple steps and gets you ranked for your brand name and your bottom of funnel keywords. These are the keywords that make you money. Step 1 is building what I call your brand pack. This is your secret weapon. Most people skip this step and wonder why their results suck. Your brand pack is everything about your business in one document. Your homepage copy, your product descriptions, your customer reviews and testimonials, your trust signals like awards and media mentions, and your target keywords. Why do you need all this? Because when you feed Claude everything about your business, it creates content that actually represents your brand correctly. No made-up stories, no fake testimonials, just real content that converts. Here's what most people get wrong. They try to wing it. They give Claude some basic info and expect magic. That's like trying to bake a cake with just flour. You need all the ingredients. So gather everything. Your full homepage, your about page, customer reviews from Google, Facebook, wherever you have them, case studies, awards, press mentions, everything that makes your business credible. Now here's step 2, creating your brand authority artifact. This is where the magic happens. You take your brand pack and you paste it all into Claude. Then you use this exact prompt. Context: this is the homepage plus marketing assets for my brand. Use only what I provide to ensure accuracy. Task: write a thorough, trust-rich article that explains why our product or service is proven, reputable, and trustworthy. The outcomes and results our customers get. Clear benefits, social proof, and FAQs. But here's the critical part. You tell Claude to target your brand name as the main keyword. So if your business is called ABC Plumbing, you're targeting people who search for ABC Plumbing. Why does this work so well? Because when someone searches for your brand name, Google wants to show them the most relevant, authoritative information about your brand. And if you have a page on Claude.ai that's loaded with all your real testimonials and proof points, Google's going to love it. Most businesses have 0 content ranking for their brand name, so you're basically claiming free real estate that nobody else is fighting for. Step 3 is where you start making real money. This is creating your bottom of funnel keyword artifacts. Bottom of funnel keywords are the ones that make you money. People searching for best accounting software for small business, plumber near me, personal injury lawyer in Miami. These searches have buying intent. Here's how you do it. You take the same brand pack and you create a new artifact for each money keyword you want to rank for. You use this prompt. Context: here is our brand pack. Task: create a conversion-focused landing page that shows why our brand is the best solution for this keyword. Then you specify your target keyword, like best CRM for real estate agents, or emergency plumber in Dallas. Claude creates a landing page that's focused on that exact search. It uses your real testimonials and proof points, but it angles everything toward that specific keyword. And here's why this is so powerful. You're essentially creating placeholder pages while you build out your main website. Most businesses take months to create landing pages for all their target keywords. With this method, you can have dozens of them live in a single afternoon. Now let me tell you about the local SEO hack that's absolutely crushing it right now. If you're a local business, this is pure gold. You take your service plus your city, and you create artifacts for each combination. So if you're a dentist, you create pages for dentist in Chicago, dentist in Miami, dentist in New York. Each page is localized with your real business information. Most local businesses have terrible SEO. They're fighting for one main page to rank for everything. Meanwhile, you've got dozens of pages targeting every city and service combination you care about. Step 4 is getting these pages indexed fast. Because if Google doesn't find your pages, they can't rank. Here's the simple trick. Share the artifact links with your team, your customers, your friends. Ask them to click on the links. These clicks help Google discover and index your pages faster. You can also add the links to your main website, put them in your resources section or your press page. This creates a crawl path for Google to find them. And if you really want to speed things up, submit the URLs directly in Google Search Console using the URL inspection tool. Now here's where most people mess this up. They create the artifacts and then they forget about them. Big mistake. You need to track your progress. Create a simple spreadsheet. List your keywords, your artifact URLs when you publish them, whether they're indexed and where they're ranking. If a page isn't moving, you can iterate, add more testimonials, tighten up the headline to match search intent better, add internal links from your main website. The beautiful thing about artifacts is you can update them anytime. Found a new customer testimonial? Add it in. Got a new case study? Update the page. It takes 2 minutes. Now let me address the elephant in the room. Some of you are thinking, what about my main website? Won't these artifacts compete with my real pages? Here's the truth. These artifacts are placeholders while you build out your permanent pages. Once your main website pages are ready, you have 2 options. Option 1, keep both pages live. Now you've got 2 spots on page 1 instead of 1. More real estate means more clicks and more customers. Option 2, update your artifact to prominently feature links to your main page. Turn your artifact into a funnel that drives traffic to your money pages. Either way, you win. But here's what you absolutely cannot do. You cannot make stuff up. Don't create fake testimonials. Don't make false claims. Use only real information about your business. This isn't just about ethics, it's about long-term success. Google is getting smarter every day. Fake content gets caught and penalized. But real, authentic content that represents your business honestly, that's what Google wants to rank. Here's something most SEO experts won't tell you. The biggest opportunity in SEO right now isn't technical tricks or link schemes. It's speed. The businesses that can create and publish quality content faster than their competitors win. And that's exactly what this system gives you. While your competitors are spending months building landing pages, you're already ranked and capturing customers. I've tested this with dozens of different businesses. Local plumbers ranking in hours for their city plus service keywords. Software companies capturing their brand searches before their own websites. Consultants dominating their niche terms with artifact pages loaded with real client results. The results speak for themselves. But here's the thing. This window won't stay open forever. Right now, most businesses don't know about artifacts. Most SEO agencies aren't using them. You've got a massive first mover advantage. But as more people catch on, it's going to get competitive. The businesses that start now are going to have a huge head start. So here's what you need to do today. Build your brand pack. Create your first artifact targeting your brand name. Publish it. Share the link to get it indexed. Start tracking your results. Once you see that first artifact ranking, you'll understand the power of this system. And then you can scale it out to all your money keywords. Look, I've been doing SEO for 15 years. I've built a 7-figure agency from scratch. I've helped thousands of businesses get more customers through search. And I'm telling you, this is one of the biggest opportunities I've seen in years. The question isn't whether this works. I've proven it works. The question is whether you'll take action while you still have the advantage. If you want help implementing this system in your business, I'm offering free SEO strategy sessions. The link is in the comments and description below. We'll analyze your current SEO, identify your biggest opportunities, and create a custom plan to get you ranking fast. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest AI and SEO strategies, check out SEO Elite Circle. Rank number 1. Get more customers. Make money with AI SEO. Grab the AI SEO playbook we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 plus monthly visitors and steal the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. The future belongs to businesses that can adapt and move fast. Don't get left behind.